Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to draw a rectangle of 45 by 10 mm. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. So go to create a sketch, select the plane, create a rectangle of 10 by 45 mm. So here I am creating this one of 10 by 45 mm. Press enter. After creating such kind of rectangle, what we have to do next, from the drawing we have to draw a line of 5 mm. So here I am drawing a line of 5 mm in this way. Press enter. Then we have to draw a line from the center of this particular line of 87 mm, as you can see here. Now we have to draw one more line of 25 mm to find out the center of the circle. One more line of 25 mm and press OK. Then escape. Then we will draw a circle of 20 mm and one more circle of 35 mm diameter. So just again we will draw a circle of 20 mm. Then we will draw one more circle of 35 mm diameter in this way. Press enter. Then what we have to do, we have to create one more circle of, let's say, 50 mm diameter. So we draw a circle of 50 mm diameter here. Press enter. After this, we will select this tangent constraint and select this one and this one. Then we will select this intersect or coincident constraint and select this one and this point. So as you can see, we have draw this arc of 50 mm diameter. 50 mm dia, or we can see the radius of this arc is 25 mm. Now we will select this trim command and trim this particular unwanted edges. Then we will trim this one also. After this, what we have to do next, we escape this one and select this mirror command and select the mirror line and select the all objects. So these are the objects what we have to mirrorize in this way and press OK. After creating this, the next is we have to create this arc of 50 mm radius. For that, we will draw one more circle of 100 mm diameter in this way, and again we'll select this tangent constraint and select this one and this one and this one. After this, we choose this trim command and trim all the unwanted edges which is not required in this way, and this one is also not required. After this, you can see we have created this particular profile. Now we will provide it the thickness of 20 mm. For that, finish the sketch, go to home position, select this extrude command, select this one and provide the thickness of 20 mm in this way and press enter. So you can see we have created this one. Now what we have to do, we have to create this slot. This slot is of 10 by 35 mm. So for this slot, we select this one, go to create a sketch, select this line, draw a line of 5 mm, then we will draw a line of 35 mm, Then we will draw a line of 10 mm. Then we will draw one more line of 35 mm. Then finish the sketch. Select this rectangle, extrude command, and extrude it up to -20 and press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same what we have seen in this particular image. Now we can provide the appearance. We can use this appearance from here, and from here we will provide the paint. We can use this glossy, and as you can see, there is a green color on the face. So first we provide to the whole body as green, and from here we select this face, and then we'll provide here yellow and here yellow, and there is another thing. No. So you can see we have almost created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So now we close this one, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel for other videos.